Hi, it's me. We're going to do lips again today. A couple of weeks ago, I was talking to two lovely ladies from Space NK. You know, that exquisite beauty boutique where they have all the best stuff. Anyway, I was talking to them and I was saying how my lips are wrinkly, my lips don't have any shape, my lips are nothing, and dark is too dark, light is too light. I mean, I was just really bitching and moaning about my lips. And so they said, why don't we put together a package for you? And I thought, how great. So they were going to all get together and they were going to see what I needed for my lips. So the package arrived today and I was so excited that I had to do an IGTV today. Now, I haven't opened up anything. I've opened the stuff, I've taken it out of the box, but I haven't opened up anything. So I've got lip pencils from Charlotte Tilbury, NARS, Kevyn Aucoin, Chantecaille, and I've got 4 lipsticks. I'm so excited. Ilia, Tom Ford, Chantecaille, and Surrat. I mean, I know you're excited too. And to be honest, I don't even know where to start. Maybe I'll start with the lipsticks and then go to the lip pencils? Or would you start with the lip pencils and go to the, I have no idea. Okay, this is the tallest one, so I'm gonna go with that. And this is Kevyn Aucoin. Can you see all this? And this is the lip pencil. What am I seeing? I don't have my glasses on because my husband says that when I wear glasses with the lights, I look like a vampire. So I'll just put them on and off, okay? So this, let's see what this is. This is a very nudie color, very nudie. Let's see, I've got a hand mirror here. So I'm gonna start with outlining my lips. Right now, I do have some, I've got some Bobbi Brown lip balm on them because I put it on all the time. So I'm gonna take that off. So we're going to start from raw lips, right? Okay, so very pretty nude. It's on the warm side. Let me try. Okay. Oh my God, is this going to be boring for you watching me put on lip pencils one after the other? Okay, lip pencil. Now I'm going to put on, wait, don't, oh, here's the top. Then I'm going to put on a lipstick. And of course, I'm just going to pick one. Random? Okay, I'm going to pick one. Aha, Tom Ford. And the color, wait, the lip pencil color was Divine. You know what? I'll put the names of everything, you know, underneath the title so that we don't have to waste time. I don't want this to be too long. Okay, Tom Ford, beautiful white packaging. And this is called, I said I wasn't, but I am. This is called, it's La Notte. Let's try it. Oh my God. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. So this goes perfectly with the Kevyn Aucoin. This is a coral color. It's soft, it's not matte, it's not, it's just a beautiful, soft color. And it works perfectly with the Kevyn Aucoin. So it's more of a warm tone to it. It's beautiful. It really is. I love it. So far, they're doing 100%. Now I'm gonna take this off. Let's see, so now I was given, Votary sent me some cleansing oil. And I thought, well, this is the perfect thing to use with taking lipstick on and off. And this is a cleansing oil with rose geranium and apricot. I love apricot jam. And so let me clean, okay. Clean my lips off. Next color. So I'm gonna open up another, it's so exciting. Okay, I'm gonna do Chantecaille because I've got a Chantecaille lip liner and I've got a Chantecaille lipstick. And this is called Invisible. Oh, it is. Oh, I know. You know what? This is to put on the outside rim of your lips so that your lips don't run. Ah, look at that. Okay, so I'm trying it. It's pretty effortless. Okay, there. So this is invisible. What a great idea. You know, all of you who've been asking me what to do about lips running, and what will I use with it? I'm going to use Surrat. I've never worn anything by Surrat, and so this is my first Surrat. Okay, and this is called, I said I wouldn't, but I can't resist it. This is called Eglantine. Eglantine. It sounds very, and this looks very nude. Let me try that. Oh, this is wonderful also. This is very rich. It's very rich. It's a beautiful color. It's kind of a pink rose. It's so rich. Wait a second. That's a beautiful color. You know what it needs for me? It needs a lip liner to make it stand out, because without a lip liner, I need the support of a lip liner. So I bet Charlotte Tilbury's is going to be, what's this? It's called Berry Naughty. What is it? So this is a kind of, I'm going to try this again because I'm not sure what color it is. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful berry color. This is a lovely color. And you know what else? It's incredibly rich. It really is very, very moisturizing. It feels great. Ooh, I love it. You know, it's a little bit darker, but yet it's not dull dark. It's, is it bright? It brightens up my face. It's not dull at all. You know, sometimes some of these, it's a very, very pretty color. Beautiful. Okay, let me get some more of this oil, this Votary oil. Okay, so we've done that. Should I use the berry and do, well, let's see what, here we've got Chantecaille. I've used a number of Chantecaille products. I've got their, I've got their lipstick, I've got their blush, and I've got their sunblock. Now, which color, well, ooh, here's a NARS lip liner. These are all such interesting colors that these wonderful artists have put together. Oh my goodness, look at how bright this is. Ah, this, what is it called? Red Square. Whoa, oh my God. What do you think? Should I try it? Yeah? Let's see. Do you think it needs something underneath? Well, let's try it. Oh my God. Do I have the guts? Wow. Wow. What do you think? Oh my God. It's really bright. What do you guys think? Do you think I could get away with it? It's really fun, don't you think? You know what I think? Let's see. And if I put a liner on there, what color liner? If I put a liner, just to give it some definition, it's very, very exciting. I know this is brown, but I think it needs a little definition. And, you know, I really like it. You know, I may wear it after the election. Let's see how it goes. I would never, ever choose something like this. I love the idea that they chose it for me. Wow, I love it. Woo, it's exciting. Let's see what else we've got. You know, I don't usually wear something this bright and with these orange undertones, but it, you know, it really brightens up my face, right? Oh, makes the teeth look white. It's a very, very happy color. Love it. You know what I think it needs though? I think it needs, for me, I think it needs some, I'm looking for my lip gloss, and of course I don't have that. I've got some lip gloss. This is from Lip Journey, and this is pink, and it's not really lip gloss, but I'm going to use this as a, just to add a little bit of shine to it. That's what it needs for me. It needs, I'm not used to wearing really matte colors, so I think with just a little bit of just a little bit of gloss. I love it. I'm so glad that they chose a color like this that just wakens up my face. Love it. Woo. Woo. Exciting. Okay. Now, what have we got? Okay, this is Ilia. Am I missing anything? Wait. I think I've got it all. I think I do. So I think this is the last one. Oh, I'm really having fun. Oh, now this looks like a lip. What do you call this? You know, like a lip, I don't know what you call it. But I'm going to put this Charlotte Tilbury liner on, and I need more of that Votary oil. Okay. I really like that bright red. I'd never think of wearing it. It's so outside of my comfort zone that I love it. Love it. Thank you, Space NK. Okay. This is probably the wrong color, but I think it needs a liner. And even if it's the wrong color, I can make it right. Okay, so this is a liquid lipstick, and by Ilia. It isn't the wrong color. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, I guess you'd say it's a berry color. You know, it's really interesting. All of these colors are, they have a brightness to them instead of a dullness. Does that make sense? I don't know if it translates on the film, but they have there's a liveliness to them that I really like, and that I probably wouldn't have chosen, but you know, from thousands of miles away, they knew what the right thing was. So I'm loving these. It's beautiful, and and it feels very, very moisturizing. I love them all. So that is my collection. Thank you, Space NK. You made my day. I'm very excited. I'm going to be wearing all of these. And the one that really surprised me is this red one. I'm very excited about wearing a bright, bright, you know, I am woman, hear me roar. Very excited. Thank you very much, Space NK. Love it, love it. So now you tell me what you think, okay? Let me know what you think about these colors in the lipsticks. And I hope you enjoyed this. I really did. Thank you. Bye-bye.